Imagine waiting over a decade for one game. You've seen the trailer, the leaks, the hype, and then boom, another delay. GTA 6, the most anticipated game in history, won't be coming in 2025 anymore. It's now officially moved to November 19th, 2026. But why would Rockstar Games push it again when fans are losing patience? Well, the truth behind this delay might actually surprise you. Let's start with some quick context. Rockstar Games first confirmed GTA 6 in early 2022, and fans went wild. The trailer dropped in 2023, hinting at a 2025 release, and for months, that was the dream. But after several insider reports and developer leaks, Rockstar officially confirmed the game would now arrive on November 19th, 2026, almost a full year later than planned. So let's discuss the reason for the delay. So here is reason number 1. Rockstar's perfectionism in massive scale. Rockstar is known for one thing, perfection. And GTA 6 is reportedly the most ambitious project they've ever attempted. Multiple developers have said the map is massive, with 2 main cities, Vice City and another one still unrevealed, plus count. Countryside, oceans, and new physics systems. Every tiny detail, from traffic AI to building interiors, is being polished to cinematic levels. That means more time, more testing, and yes, more delays. Reason 2. Avoiding another broken launch backquote. So now let's discuss the reason number 2. Rockstar doesn't want another Cyberpunk 2077 situation. Remember how that game launched full of bugs and crashes? Rockstar's parent company, Take-Two Interactive, said clearly in their investor call. We've never regretted delaying a game, but we've seen others regret not delaying theirs. So instead of rushing, they're choosing to perfect it. It's a smart move, even if it hurts in the short term. Reason 3. Strategic release timing. Reason 3 is business. Releasing in November 2026 means GTA 6 lands right in the holiday season, the best time for sales. Analysts say Take-Two can generate record profits during that period, since competition will be lower and marketing campaigns can hit harder. It's not just about polishing the game, it's about making the biggest launch in entertainment history. Reason 4. Technical and development challenges. And finally, development challenges. The game's engine, Rage 9, is a brand new version built from scratch for next-gen consoles. Rockstar wants the game to run flawlessly on both PlayStation 5 and the upcoming PS5 Pro, as well as the next-gen Xbox. So what does this delay mean for us, the players? Well, yes, it's frustrating. Waiting another year hurts. But there's a bright side. This delay means fewer bugs, smoother gameplay, and a more immersive open world right from day one. Meanwhile, this delay also shakes up the gaming industry. Other studios are quietly moving their own release dates away from GTA 6 window, because nobody wants to compete with Rockstar's giant. So yes, the GTA 6 delay might be painful, but it's not without purpose. Rockstar wants to deliver something truly revolutionary, and if waiting a few extra months means we get that perfect experience, maybe it's worth it. What do you think? Will GTA 6 live up to the decade of hype? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming updates.